Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel, and welcome to my channel if you're new. My name is Kristen. Welcome. My spring Walmart beauty box came in the mail today, so let's unbox it. Before I start this video, I just want to give you guys a disclaimer. This is the first and last time I'm going to say this. I'm not affiliated with Walmart beauty box at all whatsoever. They have no idea who I am. If you have a problem with Walmart beauty box, you can contact their customer service. Don't contact me. Okay? Don't comment on my stuff saying they overcharged you. I will say their winter box, they messed up with their email, and I'm pretty sure they admitted that they messed up. That's how I ended up with 2. If you pressed the thing 97 times and got charged $100, that's not my fault, that's your fault. Okay? Glad we're all on the same page. Let's open this up. I like the color of the box. Normally it's white. This one's like a Cinderella blue. First up, we got these Kiss Gel Fantasy Nails. These are cute, but I do my own nails. I do my own Gel X. So I'm probably gonna give these to a friend at work. She likes to do her own press-ons. Next is this little CeraVe Hydrating Cleanser. This is so cute and little. Perfect for travel. That's why I love this, because it's not that I travel a lot, like I don't ever travel really, but if I do, I don't have to go out and buy sample size stuff, or if someone else in my house is going away or something, it's just here, and like I can just be like, oh hey, I have this, take it, you know what I mean? It's also just handy if I run out and I'm too lazy to go to the store. It can hold me over for like this could probably last you a whole week. Next is this cute little mini body spray. It's in Japanese cherry blossom, and it's from the brand Body Fantasies. I got something forever ago in my Walmart beauty box, and it was from Body Fantasies. I think it was like samples of their scents. They're amazing. I have to go back to my Walmart and see if they have them, because they're redoing my Walmart, so I'm really excited to see like the finished product, because they got so many new brands, but these smell really good and they actually last a long time. But I think I'm gonna give this to my mom because she loves Japanese cherry blossom. Next is this Repair Bond treatment from Marc Anthony. This is a leave-in treatment. Sounds really good. It's good for all hair types. Hydrates, defrizzes, and softens. Love that. Next is this hydrating cleansing gel from Neutrogena. I love Neutrogena cleansing gels, cleansers. They're my favorites, so I'm excited to try this little guy. Next we have this Cher 90s Couture perfume sample. Then I got all of these CoverGirl color correcting serum moisturizer primers. So these will look like they're color correcting. Well, yeah, it says color correcting on it really big. But you have your redness neutralizer, your brightener, this is a dullness reducer, and this one is a dark spot neutralizer. So these sound pretty cool. And then on the front here you can see all the different skin tones and how these serum moisturizer primers worked. Oh, and it even says like these two are good for fair to light, this one's good for medium, and this one's good for deep. These sound like a good thing to test out on the weekend. And that is it for my spring Walmart beauty box. If you get this box, let me know what you got. Did we get anything same, different? Let me know. I love to hear what you guys get. I like this box. It's under $10, so you really can't complain about it. I love the samples. I just think it's a fun box. Let me know what you think in the comments down below. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. Let me know what other videos you want to see. Don't forget to follow me on all my social media, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.